So this is my room tour of, I think it's called 101 Flats or something. I'll link it here. I'll put it here. I'm staying in Milan, and this is a quick room tour. So we will go over the bathroom first. It's really big shower space. Yeah, really nice. I love showers. I don't know why hotels have baths. I hate it. And then here, just, yeah, bidet, toilet, sink. We've kind of trashed it a little bit. And then the bed, very spacious cupboards. I love that, those cupboards. Big desk, sharp TV. Lavazza, coffee machine, just a simple kettle. I haven't heard of that brand before. An arrangement of like teas, coffees, milk, all that sort of thing. Some cups, a fake little plant, mini fridge with nothing in it, unfortunately, but that's expected from an apartment. It seems pretty clean, I'm not gonna lie. A lot of lights, very welcoming host of the apartment. And then this is the view. So to the left is just, you know, some traffic and some nice buildings, and then this is the main view, and this is the 7th floor. So you get to see quite a lot. There is, I believe 8 floors, and it comes with razors and toothbrushes and some soap. 2 kind of hand towels and a couple bath towels as well. So yeah, I really do recommend staying in this hotel or apartment, I guess you could say. Yeah, lovely person on reception. Great, like, arrangement, how they do it, how they give you the keys and things. And yeah, this seems like a nice place.